In this example, I'm going to show you how you can use your TI-83 to solve the present value of a whole stream of uneven cash flows. Okay, so I have all my cash flows right here on this Word document, 1 through 20. Okay, and let's solve for it. So you hit your apps button on your calculator, go to finance, and NPV is 7 for me. So I'm going to click 7. And now NPV is on my screen. So the first thing that they want to know is the interest rate, and I'm going to put that in as an interest or with a percentage. So let's use 10%. So put in 10. Don't put it in as decimal, comma, and then they ask what's your initial outlay, but we don't have an initial outlay, so we just put in 0, comma. Now this is where you start putting in your cash flows. So hit second parenthesis, and notice that your bracket's different from the parenthesis. We need brackets for this. Now we can start put them in. So our first one was 1,000. Second one was 2,500. We had 3,500. Then we had 4,000. And I'm only going to put this in once right now because we're going to use a frequency count. And 4,000 happened 15 times, and I'll show you how to do that. Then, so right after 4,000, you have a 2,000. And then lastly, you have a 1,000. We want to close that bracket by hitting second, close that parenthesis. Okay, so then the bracket's closed. Now we need to start a new bracket, so second parenthesis. And this is your frequency count. So this tells you how many times cash flows happen in a row. So 1,000 happened once, 2,500 happened once, 3,500 happened once, and then 4,000 happened 15 times in a row. So we put in 15. 2,000 happened once in a row, and lastly 1,000 happened once in a row. Close that bracket, close your parenthesis, and then you can hit enter. So the present value of that whole stream of cash flows is $28,938.71.